This tutorial will teach you how to add lights in Animotive's desktop mode. Desktop mode doesn't require a VR headset and is perfect for those not acting within a scene to stay connected with what's going on, or to add cameras, lights and props pre or post recording. To begin, I recorded a short animation of a surprise picnic using Animotive's Light World preset, but you can use your own characters, props and sets. It is necessary for a VR headset to complete this step, but desktop mode allows for only the actor to need a headset instead of every member of the team. Then I moved into desktop mode. There are two ways to light your scene in Animotive, using the sun tool and using spotlights. The sun tool is the light inside of the set's atmosphere, and you don't see this as a physical object until you select the sun tool, and it comes with ways to adjust how your scene looks. You can adjust the intensity of the sun, making your world extremely bright or have limited lighting, and you can adjust the colour of the lighting to match within the world. For example, since this scene takes place outdoors, the assumption would be a yellow sun lightly shining on the characters. But to show all the features clearly, I'm going to go with purple lighting right now. You can't change the location of the sun, however you can adjust the rotation in the scene or using the transform tab. In the scene, the sun is equipped with rotation tools that allow you to rotate different axes to alter where the sun is hitting. Similarly, adjusting the values on the different axes in the transform tools moves the sun in different directions, as we can see through the shadows changing. The final feature of the sun tool is shadow opacity, and is exactly what it sounds like. This tool allows you to adjust the objects within your scene's shadows, making them appear more prominent and realistic, or you may choose to have none at all. The second way to light a scene is to use spotlights. Spotlights can be moved using the in-scene gizmo tool or using the transform tab. You can move the spotlight within the scene freehand by clicking the blue square on the gizmo tool. The gizmo tool allows you to change the translation and rotation of the spotlight by moving the coloured arrows and parts of the circle in accordance with what you need. For example, the red arrow is on the x-axis and allows you to move the spotlight horizontally left and right, and the green arrow on the y-axis allows the spotlight to be moved up and down. When you have your spotlight placed where needed, you can adjust the rotation of the light. For example, the green line allows the light to spin up to 360 degrees horizontally, and the red line allows for 360 degrees vertically. The same results can be achieved by using the transform tab, located in the spotlight settings. In the same way as the sun, changing the values on the translation and rotation axes will allow your spotlight to move. Similar to the sun, spotlights have features to adjust the intensity, shadows and colour of the light. Again, for lighting that reflects the setting, I would use light yellow coloured spotlights here. But in sets such as the spaceship, which has blue LED screens, it's important to showcase this with the lights to help the characters immerse into the scene. Spotlights also have other features, like adjusting the angle and range of where the light is hitting, which is useful for creating spotlights on certain characters or props. You can add up to 7 spotlights in one scene, allowing you to use a range of different lighting techniques, and these won't be picked up by the cameras in the final export, so you can place your spotlights anywhere in the scene to get the desired effect you're looking for. And that's how you can light your scene in Animotive's desktop mode.